Volkswagen's situation in Germany seems to be at a critical point. The brand, one of the most iconic and oldest in the German automotive sector, is facing a restructuring period that could lead to the closure of up to 3 of its factories in Germany. But what is behind this measure? This is a historic and at the same time alarming move, as it would be the first time in its 87-year history that Volkswagen closes plants in its country of origin. I will explain the reasons in a moment. The Volkswagen unions, known for their strength in Germany, have already expressed their dissatisfaction with the company's plans. They have even suggested that there could be strikes in response to the cost-cutting measures. If carried out, these strikes would take place in December and would seek to maintain jobs in the German plants. This drastic change stems from an urgent need to reduce costs. The German company is looking to save approximately $4.3 billion, driven in part by the economic crisis in Europe, a decline in sales in China, and increasing competition from Chinese car imports. The fact is that German plants have such high labor costs compared to other regions that, for example, an employee in Wolfsburg receives an average salary of $80,000 per year, 4 times more than one in the plant in Puebla, Mexico, which puts German operations at a clear competitive disadvantage. Faced with this bleak outlook, Volkswagen has already adjusted its forecasts for 2024, anticipating a complicated financial context. The publication of the third quarter results in the coming days could shed light on the magnitude of these challenges and define more clearly the future of the brand in its own country.